Hey, it's Fat Albert here today. I keep getting asked, "Hey, Fat Albert, why are you so fat?" And well, it's a sad story, man. I get fat because can't stop eating, man. I I keep eating because I get depressed, and I get depressed because I keep eating and get fatter and fatter. It's so bad that I haven't even seen my feet since I was a little kid, man. Living in the streets, man. I walk down the street, people think that I have an earthquake or something, man. It ain't funny anymore. I need a burger, man. Where's McDonald's?